A lot of people who own the Titan Bandsaw sold by Screwfix have the same problem, namely this fence. It's garbage. It rattles all over and it's not usable at all. Causes a lot of wonder when you're trying to cut. I've seen all sorts of suggestions, from simply clamping a piece of wood down or buying an aftermarket fence system from Axminster. Both perfectly valid, both work. However, you've got the fence. It is easy to fix it and it is easy to make it work perfectly. Save you 13 quid buying an Axminster aftermarket one, or whatever other options you're going to go with. You start by unbolting these. Take these two bolts out and unscrewing the tension handle. This will allow you to remove this end piece here, the hook. Once you've got that off, now them knobbles are about the right height for the gap that you get underneath the fence, which causes the wobble. So I took a metal file and I filed them down. Nothing more complicated than that. While I was at it, I also filed about a millimetre or so, no more, off the edges of the fence rail itself. It's just a tiny amount, so it just recesses down just that little bit more. Then when I put it all back together, it lowers the aluminium of the fence to the table height, which allows the clamp to clamp properly and securely into place, rather than being a few millimetre off the worktop, the tabletop, allowing it to wobble about. I hope that's of some help to fellow Titan Bandsaw owners.